Hello everyone, welcome to another video from our YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss about importance of networking. Networking is a very powerful tool for career development, which can help you to make good relationships. You can seek for career opportunities and enhance your knowledge and visibility within your professional community. So it is very important to make genuine connections through meaningful networking. I will share some of the specific advantages of meaningful networking. The first advantage is access to hidden job markets. In many industries, a significant number of opportunities are filled either by internal reference or by networking. Not all the job vacancies may advertise publicly. By making genuine connections within the organizations, you can request referrals from that person and it may increase your chance of getting hired. The second advantage is enhancing job security and stability. A strong professional network can act as a supporting system, especially during the layoff or career transition time. By investing time and effort in internal networking, you can enhance your job security and stability by establishing a strong presence within your organization, building meaningful connections and actively participating in internal activities which will help you for career growth opportunities and increase job satisfaction. The third advantage is career advancement and progression. If you are making some genuine connections with good experience, they can mentor and they can give very valuable advices to you. Building strong networks within your organization can help you to get salary increment and for the promotions, because your networks within your organization, they will definitely recognize your capability to do work and your contributions. The fourth advantage is skill development and knowledge sharing. Networking helps you to learn from others, either through formal mentorship or through informal advices. It will help you to get some good idea about innovative techniques and emerging trends. Thereby, you can sharpen your specific skills and which may help you to get a job very easily. The fifth advantage is business development. Networking helps you to increase the visibility of your professional or personal brands, and you can easily establish as a competent professional. Besides, professional network can give a very good insight about the market trends and it can help you to improve your business. Moreover, networking is very important for entrepreneurs or for business people for finding their clients and maintaining the relationship. So, networking is a very powerful tool for growing your career. So, always try to remember these 5 advantages of networking. Those are: 1. Access to hidden job markets. Second one, enhancing job security and stability. Third one, career advancement and progression. Fourth one, skill development and knowledge sharing. And fifth one, business development. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video is useful, please share with your friends or with your network. And if you have any specific questions or comments, please feel free to write in the comment box, or you can directly contact us through the email also. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.